Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change fingerprint animation style in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First, lock your phone. If you have added fingerprint, while unlocking with your fingerprint, there will be some animation. See here, there will be some animation. Okay, see the animation. If you would like to change this animation style, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Then go to security. Go to security. And here select fingerprint. It will ask your pattern for confirmation. Give your pattern. And here click on animation styles. And by default, this style is selected. If you would like to use no animation, click on the first one. Then there will be no animation. Okay, click on apply, and now hereafter there will be no animation while you unlocking with your fingerprint. See here, there is no animation. Okay, I may again show there is no animation while unlocking with finger. Okay, if you would like to change other animation instead of default, you can use other animation as well. Again, go to the same settings, security, fingerprint, verify with your pattern, then click on animation styles, and here use another one, this one, then this one. So many options are available. Okay, finally I have selected this animation and click on apply and see how it works. Now I lock my phone and I try to unlock with my fingerprint. See the animation here. Wow, nice animation. So in this way we can easily set desired animation. You can change desired animation for our phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.